What if, one night, you looked up at the sky, and the moon was gone? No glowing silver disk, no familiar light, just a dark, invisible monster hanging over Earth. What if the moon suddenly turned into a black hole? The moon has been humanity's companion since the dawn of time. It controls our tides, shapes our nights, and stabilizes Earth's tilt, giving us the rhythm of seasons and the balance that makes life possible. But if that familiar friend transformed into a black hole, the world would be thrown into unimaginable chaos. First, the good news, if we can call it that. A black hole formed from the moon would have the same mass as the moon itself. That means Earth wouldn't suddenly be ripped apart or pulled into oblivion. Our planet would still orbit just fine, because gravity depends on mass, not form. But the danger wouldn't lie in the pull, it would lie in everything else. The glowing light of the moon would vanish. Nights would become darker than humanity has ever known. No more moonlit skies, no more silver reflections on oceans, no guiding light for travelers, for billions of people. It would feel like the stars had stolen the moon forever. But the tides, those delicate pulses of water pulled by the moon's gravity, would remain. At first, they would still rise and fall, yet over time, without the moon's stabilizing presence, Earth would begin to wobble. Our planet's tilt, normally locked into a gentle rhythm, would drift chaotically. Seasons could grow extreme, blistering summers, freezing winters, climates shifting violently. Ecosystems collapsing as nature struggled to adapt. And then comes the real terror of a black hole. So close, anything straying near it, asteroids, dust, or unlucky spacecraft, would be dragged in and swallowed whole. The black hole would flare with deadly bursts of radiation as it devoured matter, releasing invisible storms of X-rays and gamma rays into space. Earth might be spared direct destruction, but its skies would be poisoned by radiation. Our satellites could fry, communications collapse, and space travel become impossible. Imagine looking up and seeing not a moon, but a distorted patch of stars, twisted and warped by gravitational lensing, a cosmic scar in the night sky, bending reality itself. That black circle would be a constant reminder. Our gentle moon is now a doorway into nothingness. Life on Earth would grow more unstable with every passing century. Without the moon's steadying force, Earth's axis could shift wildly. One era, the poles could bake in sunlight. The next, they could freeze in eternal night. Animals that rely on lunar cycles, turtles, birds, insects, would collapse into confusion. Entire ecosystems tied to the moon's rhythm would die. And humanity, too, would suffer as agriculture and weather spiraled into chaos. But there's another, darker possibility. The moon's black hole might not stay quiet. If it began to feed on space debris, on captured asteroids, its mass would grow, slowly at first, then exponentially. And the stronger it became, the more dangerous it would be over millennia. Earth itself might no longer resist its pull. The black hole could become a predator, inching closer to claiming the very planet that once called the moon its partner. And yet, even in destruction, there would be awe. A lunar black hole so close to Earth would be the most extraordinary laboratory the universe could ever give us. Scientists could study space-time itself just a few 100,000 kilometers away. Humanity might unlock the secrets of gravity, energy, even time travel. The moon, once a symbol of romance and poetry, would become the ultimate scientific frontier, our last and greatest challenge. Still, the danger outweighs the wonder. A black hole where the moon once shone would change life forever. Nights plunged into darkness, seasons turned violent, ecosystems collapsing, and Earth's future uncertain under the shadow of a silent, invisible monster. So what if the moon turned into a black hole? Humanity would stand beneath the sky forever. Altered, our guardian gone, our balance broken, our future hanging on the edge of gravity's most terrifying mystery. The moon has always been a symbol of comfort, light, and guidance, but in this nightmare, it would become the very definition of fear, a black hole, watching us from the heavens, silent, patient, and eternal.